Nas, gold, silver, US 30. So Nas, we are still at all-time highs. We haven't really gotten a really noticeable pullback. This is what we've been seeing so far. The only thing I see here that could be a possible entry for this upcoming week. So on the daily, we have here in 17 hours, we're going to get a daily close. So we got this. So we sit right with that 4 hour. Everybody gap. So as you can see here, we have a 4 hour gap. So my only realistic entry, I'm looking forward to tap here, expand upwards. Because as bullish as we are right now, it would be stupid to look for anything other than bullish continuation. So see that 4 hour here, see the inducement here. Price could want to come back, run those lows, grab 50%. We are. So that's what I'm looking for now. If not, it'll continue up. I'll look for an entry here, my 3-step process. Gold, I just entered on gold, got manipulated Sunday, so 5% risk, so it wasn't really too concerning. But as you can see here, we are making higher highs. We are making higher highs now after bearish, this bearish movement we had here. We have higher highs. So if you go to the daily, is it closed yet? It's not closed. But what I'm hoping for is that we can stay above this level for this time. It's currently 11 o'clock at night. So I'm hoping we can stay above this level for this time because if you see here, if you take the fib from here to here, 50%. Oh, yeah, we did. Okay, we did get a close, yeah. So fair value gap would be this candle here, this candle, this candle. So from bottom of this wick to the top of this wick, I marked up my fib. And as you can see here, that 50% of that, the 50% retracement zone is here, right at the 50% of this daily fair value gap. So I will look for my entry to be here. So price to where it's at now, it's here, came up here. Let's put price to tap that 50 and come up here. It just makes sense. It just makes sense. So my entry would be somewhere in this level here, somewhere in this area here. Maybe lower, wherever price makes it, wherever. But I'm looking for my entry to be inside here. Come grab these highs here. This high could be a potential. Check it out. So grab this high here. Got this one. And even then, we got closed above these fair value gaps, so that make excuse me. So the next major fair value gap, I'd say on the daily, be here. So hopefully we can get price to tap here, come grab this one. For sure, it's gonna want to grab these highs, but hopefully it'll grab those highs and continue going up. Come grab that, be enough liquidity to bring it back down, close it back above it, retest, bring it back above here. But we can't predict right now. We just gotta wait and see what price wants to give us. So now let's go. Now we go down to silver. Silver looks completely different. So we have here really on silver. Nothing really too crazy. It's just a lot of choppy movement. We are making higher highs again, similar to gold because did have a little bit of bearish continuation, but as you can see here, we are now making higher highs here. The retracement back. Like see on the daily, have a 50. We have a fair value gap here. We also have one here. We have these highs here also. It's a major high. So either one price to retrace to one of these or to hit here. So I'm not going to be touching it until it does one or the other because in this area here, it's a lot of uncertainty because you don't know if the price wants to come and grab the booty here or come back here. So I'm just going to sit in my hands, wait till probably tomorrow, Tuesday. I'm only going to be trading at Asian session. So it's going to be a lot of data to actually see to decide where price wants to go. Now we see here on US 30, I'm looking for nothing but bearish continuation. That's because if you go on that weekly time frame, you can see here, this was last week's candle. Price wicked last week's the prior week before last week's liquidity. All this was the week before last. Price closed here with all that here. Took all the liquidity from the prior week. Now I'm looking forward to expand down, come grab, hopefully it's low. But that's too unrealistic because that's on the weekly. We still got on the daily, we got this low. We got here. That could probably want to come to. We got here. Probably want to come to. Like it's countless area. And the move hopefully come from here because we are over daily fair value gap. We have tapped 50% of that area. Let's see. Not that. Not that. Okay, so it's dangerous waters because it could be one of them trace back up, but because of the weekly CRT and all of this bearish momentum, I am looking for price to pull below this daily and then retest, and then come down and grab some of these low. If not, if it just continues up, breaks this high, then possibly looking for buys. But right now, I'm looking for sales, and this once again just sitting back waiting for price. Tell me what I want to do. I haven't been oil or GJ. I probably will. Probably Tuesday or Wednesday. But as far as right now, same as last week, I'm only looking at these. I haven't looked at the dollar index. Look at that. Let's see. Okay. So what I was taught, maybe it's what other people taught differently, but what I was taught, pairs here will do the opposite of what the dollar index would do. So if we have a lot of, so for example, if we have bullish continuation on gold, then if you went on a dollar index, you will see bearish continuation. So right now it's looking like on gold, we could probably be getting bearish continuation, I'm sorry. And you see here that weekly CRT. So I don't know, we're just gonna have to see, but it's looking like that's could be what we're aiming for. Even here, we got a daily fair value gap. And balance right there. Price standing tap 50%. Stand down. So let's see. Got some equal lows here. Equal lows here. Got these highs above price. So at the end of the day, we just got to sit back and watch. It's still Sunday, even Monday. Price is still getting back on track with what it did over the weekend. So it's going to be a waiting game, really. Let's go from there. And that's it.